How to integrate Twilio with Monday.com. Integrating Twilio with Monday.com lets you send automated SMS alerts, make calls, and streamline communication directly from your workflows. So go ahead and open Monday.com. Click on this Monday Marketplace at the top right of your screen. And then under the Monday Marketplace, you'll be able to find this. So search for Twilio in here and then hit on enter and then click on Twilio under results and then click on this use app button at the right side of Twilio. Now once you click on that, that will take you here. So in here, you need to go ahead and choose a workspace and board where you want to add your Twilio app on Monday.com. And then after that, you need to go ahead and create your automation in here. So for example, I use this when a column changes, call someone and say template. So I'll simply click on this use template button and then I'll need to go ahead and head over into my Twilio account to get this credentials. So you'll find your account as ID on your Twilio console along with your authorization token. So make sure to paste that here and then you need to enter the phone number you've used to create your Twilio account, and then after that click on that connect button. Now once you've connected it, you can go ahead and proceed on setting the conditions that you have for this automated action that you want for your Monday.com account from Twilio. And then after that, you need to go ahead and click on this create automation to create this automation on your Monday.com. And that is how you can basically integrate Twilio with Monday.com. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe for more videos like this.